Get ready. Start. I am directed to address you on the subject noted above and to say that in a case where the question of crossing the efficiency bar has not been decided before the date on which the employee concerned was due to cross it, the decision on it should be based on consideration of his record up to the date on which the crossing of efficiency bar was due, and that allowing him to cross the same with effect from the due date notwithstanding his subsequent conduct will not have any effect on the punishment which may have to be imposed upon him for any misconduct after the date from which he has allowed to cross the efficiency bar full stop. In case the concerned employee is allowed to cross the efficiency bar on the basis of his record, he is to be informed that the fact that he has been allowed to cross the efficiency bar is independent of the action which might be taken against him on the basis of disciplinary proceedings. Full stop. Next para. Detailed instructions on the subject of crossing of efficiency bar by government employees were issued in Punjab government letter referred to above. Full stop. In para 7 thereof it was laid down that where it is proposed to stop an employee at the efficiency bar in the time scale of pay as a penalty, that is on grounds other than unfitness on the basis of record, the procedure laid down under Rule 10 of the Punjab Civil Services Rules 1970 should be observed. Full stop. About stoppage of an employee at the efficiency bar on grounds of unfitness on the basis of record, it was clarified that although it would not be a penalty, yet keeping in view the principle of natural justice and the fact that the order of stopping an employee at the efficiency bar entails evil consequences for him, it would be desirable to give him an opportunity to explain his position before such an order was passed. Full stop. These instructions are in accordance with the legal pronouncements of the courts and contain the latest thinking of government. Full stop. Further, if the case for the crossing of efficiency bar by the government employee had not been considered on account of the pendency of disciplinary case against him, he may, in the event of complete exoneration, be allowed to cross the efficiency bar with effect from the due date. Full stop. Stop.